Now, if you're like me, you're not a fan of using any public restroom because, well, often they're pretty gross, but that could change soon thanks to this new technology. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Let me introduce you to the Revolving Toilet by Sanitronics. It's a toilet that's always clean no matter how many people use it. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Here's how it works. There are two toilet bowls that alternate after each use. While one is being used, the other gets a deep cleaning. And we're talking serious cleaning here. High pressure washing inside and out. During the toilet's rotation, the restroom floor is cleaned also, then it's dried, and the trash is collected. Here is the best part. The seat is completely dry when you sit down on it thanks to a built-in air blade. No more dreaded wet seats. How gross is that? And get this, the whole cleaning process takes less than 20 seconds. No more long waits for a clean stall. So next time you're out and about and nature calls, keep an eye out for the Revolving Toilet. It is changing the game for public restrooms one flush at a time. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. If you're not already getting my newsletter, open a browser, type in cyberguy.com and get instant access for free.